And I'm Chiranjeev.
We are here to present our project YTSAT 2.0, a nano-low-cost satellite for farmer. It provides real-time data to the farmer.
We saw that many farmers in our village crop loss and many types of problem. So I identify the problem and get ready YTSAT 2.0. The problem is three types. First is no local weather and soil data. Second is confused to choosing the right crop. And third, wrong fertilizer. When the farmer lost crops and wrong fertilizer.
YTSAT 2.0 is data that lead to plant better. It provides real-time data like humidity, temperature, soil health, and others. It helps the farmer to smart and reduce cost, wealth, and risk.
We also, our system has two parts. First is transmitter and another is a receiver. The transmitter loads by medium value and the receiver placed on the ground. The transmitter is collect soil and air data to give by LoRa. LoRa is a long-range, low-cost network in our system.
Here is not system. I know the brain of the system. pH 11 sensor gives humidity and the temperature data. PFP 20 sensor measures pressure. LoRa module sends the data. LiDAR module sensor the height. Balloon and parachute for safety landing and launching. Layer battery for power.
We also multi-cap platform that help to farmer. First is crop recommendation, fertilizer suggestion, etc. We also making a web chat that called AI-based chat to helpful of farmer to chatting your question and answer in local language.
India has over 150 million of farmers. The total market of smart farming solutions is over $1,765 billion. We will first focus on 5 to 7 million of digital currency farmers in Odisha and nearby states of Odisha.
Every platform that give local and communication services. But our YTSAT 2.0 is give general, local and live data to helpful of farmers.
We are asking for the support from the Agriculture Department to continue our project. Thank you for listening to us. YTSAT 2.0 is a small local nano satellite built by students for the rural farmers in India.
Thank you.